What if someone asked you to start a MotoGP bike? Chances are you wouldn't be able to, because believe it or not, MotoGP bikes have no key and no start button. So how do they start? MotoGP bikes are built for one thing only: maximum performance. That's why engineers remove every unnecessary part to keep the bike as light as possible, because in MotoGP, every single gram matters. Before the race, the team uses a special external starter device that spins the rear wheel, cranks the engine, and brings the bike to life. But here's the catch: if the bike stalls during the race, the rider can't restart it on their own. They either have to push it back to the pit lane or rely on the marshals to bump start it. One missing start button can sometimes cost a rider the entire race.